morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Workbook English Workbook Volume 2. All of you open your English Workbook Volume 2. Open your Volume 2 Workbook. Page number 9. Open page number 9. The words in the sentences are jumbled. Rewrite the sentences correctly and underline the adverbs. Already I gave this bit, no? I think so I gave. Take next bit. For each verb below, write an adverb and could explain more about the action. Take the help of the given set of adverbs. Amma, here adverbs are given. We have to fill up in the blanks. First one, Sarah and Rohan ran dash. Ran shavily, swiftly, heavily, brilliantly, neatly, badly, gently. They ran quickly. Swiftly means very fast. They ran swiftly. SWIFTLY, swiftly. Swiftly. My pet dog eats a dash. Shabily. Shabily means he always eat. It is very busy in eating. Okay, always it is on the duty of eating. Shabily. Next. It started to rain heavily. Means heavy ga varsham padutundi. It started to rain heavily. It started to rain heavily. Aradhya placed the jar dash on the table. Amma jar nu manam ela pettali? We have to keep the jar gently. Gently means mellaga. Okay. Slowly. Gently means smoothly and slowly. Jar kadara. Jar ni manam chaala gently ga pettali. Otherwise it may fall down and broke. Okay. The dance troupe performed dash. My remaining words are badly, neatly, brilliantly. So badly. Group ante group of dancers. Group of dancers ni troupe antaru. Group of dancers ni troupe. Troupe danced badly. Not nicely. They danced badly. Adverbs. Ivanni adverbs manam explain chesanu. Ly anni adverbs ani explain chesanu kada. The man was dressed very neatly. The man was dressed neatly. Next. The actor acted brilliantly. Write down brilliantly. 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 Take next page. Complete your answer. Next. Take next bit. Circle the adverbs in the following sentences Form one or two sentences of your own using that adverb. One is done for you. Amma, underline the adverbs. Swift, adjective. Swiftly, adverb. Okay, ra. Slow, adjective. Slowly, adverb. LY in any adverbs. LY in any adverbs. Now find out the adverbs and make the sentences of your own. Now, first one already done for you. Ajay practices swimming frequently. Means sometimes. She was weak and hence fell sick frequently. Frequently means often. Often they goes to hospital. Frequently means often. The dogs bark frequently at this hour. Frequently is the adverb. He made two sentences and adverb. Now we have to find out the adverbs in the given sentences and write one more or two sentences by using the given adverb. In the second sentence we have to find out the adverb. Second sentence lo manam adverb find out cheyali. Adverb to inko sentence manam make cheyali. Okay, first one. Kamal always wanted to be an astronaut. Kamal, what is his ambition? He wanted to be an astronaut. Ippudu astronaut kavalane ambition. Always. Amma, circle always. ALWAYS. Always circle cheyandi kada. Amma, in the second sentence, circle always. Now, make the sentence of our own with always. He gets full marks. He gets full marks in maths always. Always. Wait. He always gets full marks. Full marks in maths. He always gets full marks in maths. One sentence. Amma, one is enough to you. Complete. Then next, Arjun's father sang the song gracefully. Amma, gracefully is the adverb. Gracefully means marvelously. Arjun's father sang the song gracefully. Means so sweet, so melodious, so sweet. Gracefully means marvelous. Chala baga paadadu paata. Gracefully is the adverb. By using gracefully, we have to make one more sentence. The peacock danced. The peacock danced gracefully. Peacock dance చూసారా? వర్షం రావడానికి ముందు డాన్స్ చేస్తుంది. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. She danced beautifully. The peacock danced gracefully when it rained. Okay? The small girl reached her home safely. Here, safely. Safely is the adverb. is the adverb. We all reached home. We all reached home safely after the snowstorm. Safely. Circle the safely. We reached home. We reached home safely after the snowstorm. Next. My parents will arrive tomorrow. Here tomorrow is the adverb. Tomorrow is the adverb. By using tomorrow, we will make one more sentence. I will attend a special class tomorrow. I will attend a special class tomorrow. I will attend a special class tomorrow. Next. Alice suddenly fell into the rabbit's hole. Suddenly is the adverb. Suddenly is the adverb. Suddenly. Then we have to make one more sentence. The ram I suddenly fell down from the steps. From the bench. I suddenly fell down from the bench. Somebody answer. Next. Alice and Bunny went on a walk every day. Every day is the adverb. Write down every day. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. Complete your notes. I drink milk every day. Next. The angry bear growled menacingly. Means fearfully. Fearful, భయంకరంగా అని. Fearfully. Menacingly. The cat's fought menacingly, fiercely, fearfully, all through the night. All through the night. All through the night. The captain quickly boarded the boat. Boarded means get in nana. Boarded means get it. లోపలికి ఎక్కడం. Quickly, the captain quickly boarded the boat. తొందరగా లోపలికి ఎక్కేశాడు. Here, board quickly is the adverb. Quickly is the adverb. Quickly. The flight landed quickly. The flight landed quickly due to the heavy storm. The flight landed quickly due to the heavy storm. Come to your answer. Come to your answers. Next, take next page. Next, creative writing skill. You have to write a story. Imagine that you are out playing with your friends. Means you came out, you go out, you went out for playing with your friends. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఆడుకోవడానికి బయటకు వచ్చావురా. And suddenly it started to rain heavily with thunder and lightning. Suddenly బయటకు వచ్చేసరికి ఏమైంది? It started rain. It started a heavy rain. Imagine, you must imagine. You came out with your friends to play. But suddenly it became rain and thunders. There is a sound of thunder and lightning. Okay, you are fearful. All of you ran and took shelter in a big cave. అందరు పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడికి వచ్చినారు? టేక్ ఏ షెల్టర్ అండర్ ద బిగ్ కేవ్. అంటే ఒక కేవ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి హియర్ ఇస్ అ కేవ్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ వెంట్ ఇన్ టు ద కేవ్ ఫర్ షెల్టర్. హెవీగా బయట హెవీ రెయిన్ ఉంది కదా, అందరూ కేవ్లోకి వెళ్ళారు. ద కేవ్ వాస్ వెరీ డార్క్. హౌ వాస్ ద కేవ్? The cave was very dark and all of a sudden you hear a screeching sound. ఏమేది? అందరూ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి కూర్చోగానే అదేం చాలా చీకటిగా ఉంది. The cave is too dark. చాలా చీకటిగా ఉంది. కాసేపు అయ్యేసరికి ఒక పెద్ద స్క్రీచింగ్ సౌండ్. You have heard a cry. You heard a cry. Will you fear? నువ్వు లోపలికి వెళ్ళగానే మీరు అందరు దాక్కోవడానికి వెళ్ళారని అందులో కేవ్లోకి వెళ్ళారు. వెళ్ళగానే కాసేపటికి ఏమైంది? యు ఆర్ హియరింగ్ ఏ స్క్రీచింగ్ సౌండ్. స్క్రీచింగ్ అంటే సౌండ్, క్రైయింగ్ సౌండ్. యు హియర్ ఏ క్రైయింగ్ సౌండ్. మీకు సడన్గా ఏడుపుతుంది క్రైయింగ్ సౌండ్. విల్ యు ఫియర్? భయపడతారా అందరూ? భయపడారా? Must complete the story in your own words using your imagination. అక్కడ ఏం జరిగిందో మీరు ఇమాజినేషన్ చేయాలి. Who is crying in the den? ఆ కేవ్లో ఎవరు ఏడుస్తున్నారు? Who are there? You have to find out and you have to complete it. Okay? Will you do that? ఇలా చేస్తారా? ఇమాజినేషన్ చేస్తారా? Will you imagine who is there? Who is crying in the den? Den lo evaru edustunnaru? Okay na? Just will you imagine? ఇమాజిన్ చేయండి, అక్కడ ఏమైందో మీరు ఇమాజిన్ చేసి రాయండి. ఓకే, ఆ డెన్లో ఏమైంది, హూ ఇస్ క్రైయింగ్, వాట్ డు యూ డూ టు సేవ్, ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఏడుస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళని నువ్వు ఎలా సేవ్ చేసావు, హౌ డి యూ సేవ్ దట్, యూ మస్ట్ రైట్. ఓకే, అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ వర్క్. Abo, will you do that? Very good. You must do. Okay, today's class is completed. Bye.